We are about to launch control the Taycan Turbo on Yas Marina. What's up folks? I am at the Yas Marina circuit in Abu Dhabi and I'll be doing my first EV experience on an F1 track. So I'll be driving the Porsche Taycan Turbo right here, right now on an F1 circuit. I am excited to drive this car on the track. I have driven the Taycan multiple times in multiple days, multiple locations, but this is my first EV track experience. So let's see how it goes. Let's go.
Welcome.
We are about to launch control the Taycan Turbo on Yas Marina, an official F1 circuit. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Never gets old.
You ready for your braking zone? Onto the brakes. Take her.
There's so much attention that you need to pay. There's so many things that go around
Lots
you.
going on, yeah.
Just the small bits of speed, braking, handling, grip.
That's the thing. It's learning about this, learning the track and learning the car. You know, it's a lot to take in.
Yes, but this car is just brilliant. The grip, the handling, the power, the launch control. It's just like a sports car without the rumble and the sound.
Oh yes.
But the
All the
EV
brakes.
is good enough.
More brakes, more brakes, more brakes.
There you go.
Off the brakes. Take her in. Yeah. That's it. Don't turn too sharply.
Okay, gentle.
Nicely done. Again, come in nice and tight and exit wide. Okay, over to the right.
Car is just so sharp.
I tell you, it's unbelievable. It really is. The traction it has, the power and the handling.
Absolutely. It's almost 911-ish, if you would say that, you know.
Man, it's quicker than 911.
It's quicker than, but the handling is just like a 911. It just feels like electric 911.
Bro, well done.
Thank you.
That's great.